Urologic complications. Urological complications are among the most prevalent and challenging complications after spinal cord injury. Let's understand them. Urinary tract infections or UTIs. UTI can be caused due to improper catheter use or unhygienic handling of catheterization supplies. Not voiding on time or emptying bladder incompletely can also lead to UTI. UTI can present with chills, high fever, urine leakage in between catheterizations or ICC, and body pain, tiredness, increased spasticity, foul-smelling urine, or blood in urine. To manage UTI, switch from self-catheterization to an indwelling catheter. Drink more fluids. Use antibiotics as prescribed by your medical team. Rest until fever and fatigue improves. Bladder and kidney stones. Stones are collections of mineral deposits and can develop in the kidney, ureters, or bladder. Stones in the kidneys can affect filtering of the blood and flow of urine to the bladder. Stones in the bladder can block the flow of urine out of the body. Stones occur because of high calcium levels. Drinking less fluids, excessive collection of sediment in catheter, not voiding properly leading to collection of urine in bladder for long. Backup of urine into the kidneys. Frequent UTI and inactive lifestyle. It may cause blood in the urine, increased spasms, pain in the lower back or abdomen in case of incomplete spinal cord injury, and passing of stones in urine. If stones occur, follow medical advice for potential treatments or removal of stones, which may include medication or surgical intervention. Other risks. Reflux occurs when urine flows backward from the bladder into the ureters and potentially up to the kidneys, leading to a range of issues, including frequent UTI, kidney damage, and even kidney failure. This can be caused due to loss of control over bladder, affecting the bladder's ability to store and empty urine efficiently. To treat it, your medical team may prescribe medicines or surgery. If catheterizations are done improperly, it can lead to urethral injuries. Such injuries can often lead to scarring and difficulty with future catheterizations. The injury should be identified early and treated promptly. General prevention measures for bladder issues. The key to a healthy urinary system is prevention. You should be trained on proper catheterization techniques, catheter care. Carefully clean all equipment, such as catheters, with each use. Wash hands before and after the bladder is emptied. Do the bladder program as taught and on schedule. Never change the method of voiding before discussing it with your medical team. Drink adequate fluids. Check with your medical team the amount you should take in per day. Take medicines according to the instructions of your doctor. Check the urine bag often to be sure your bladder is draining properly. Check tubing and connectors of catheter bag every 2 to 3 days. If you see sediment build up even after regular cleaning, the tubing or connector should be replaced. See your doctor once a year for a checkup of your urinary system.